All right, here we go. These are your notes. Unit 4. So we're still in Unit 4. And this is from section 2.2 of your textbook, if you ever want to look it up in your textbook. And what we're learning today is the distributive property. And it has a long official name, so we're going to write that down. Distributive property of multiplication the distributive property of multiplication with respect to addition and or subtraction. All right, that's it. Whew, that's a long title. Distributive property of multiplication with respect to addition or subtraction. So in these problems, it's going to involve not only multiplication, but also addition and or subtraction. Okay? All right, and I think a good way to explain is to think about ordering fast food. So let's say I want to order a hamburger. So there's my hamburger right there. And it's on a sesame seed bun. And I also need some fries. So let's say here's the fries. And a Coke. And I'm with my friend, and they also order. They order the same thing. So they order a hamburger. And it's on a sesame seed bun. And they also order some French fries. Not the most healthy meal we've ever ordered. And also a Coke. So we both order the same thing. So we could go up and order one by one. I could say I need a hamburger, fries, and a Coke. And then my friend could say I need a hamburger, fries, and a Coke. Or we could say we need 2 hamburgers, 2 orders of fries, and 2 Cokes. So each of our orders are like a quantity. So I need a hamburger, and means plus, fries, and a Coke. And that's my order, and it all goes together. So I put it in a parenthesis, a quantity. And then my friend's going to order the same exact quantity, the same exact thing, and so we're going to end up doubling this order. So we're going to multiply by 2. So we're doubling the whole order, which means that we're going to take 2 times the hamburger, and 2 times the fries, and 2 times the Coke. So we're going to have 2 times the hamburger, and 2 times the fries, and 2 times the Coke. And a better way to write that, each of these, instead of 2 times H, I'm just going to write 2H. And instead of 2 times F, I'm going to write 2F. And instead of 2 times C, I'm going to write 2C. And that's it. 2 hamburgers and 2 fries and 2 Cokes. Now I can't add 2H and 2F and 2C together because they're not the same things. They're not like terms. I can't add hamburgers and fries. I don't know what I would get. So that's my final answer, and that just shows you the distributive property. The distributive property of multiplication, this outside number is being multiplied, with respect to addition in this case, because inside the parentheses we have addition. All right, let's try a couple examples. So, some examples. Whoops. So the first example, we'll take 3 times the quantity of x plus 2. All right, so this is the distributive property of multiplication with respect to addition. The outside number is being multiplied. That's what it means when a number is next to a parentheses. And inside the quantity you have addition. So this is like my order, and then we're multiplying it by 3. Maybe I'm there with a couple other friends, so 3 people altogether. So you take that outside number and you multiply it not just once, but in this case twice, and that's called distributing the multiplication. So you have 3 times the x and 3 times the 2. And a better way to write 3 times x is 3x. And a better way to write 3 times 2 is 6. And that is your final answer because you can't add. These are not like terms. All right, let's try another example. Sometimes it'll look like this. Maybe in the quantity you'll have 2x plus 3. And that whole entire quantity is being multiplied by 4. So again, this is like maybe your order. You're ordering 2 hamburgers and some fries. And maybe you're with 4 people all together and they all want that same order. So you can each order separately 2 hamburgers and fries, 2 hamburgers and fries, 2 hamburgers and fries, or you can go 4 times the hamburger order and 4 times the fry order. And that's called distributing. So you're going to take the 4 and you're going to multiply it by both terms. So 4 times 2x and 4 times 3. Okay, you can multiply 4 times 2x. It's okay. And some of you guys are going to go, well, they're not like terms. It doesn't matter for multiplication. Let me show you. A 2x multiplied by 4 means you'll have it not once, not twice, not 3 times, but 4 times. And 2x 4 different times gives you 8x. So 4 times 2x is 8x plus 4 times 3 is 12. And that's your answer. You can't add these. They're not like terms. Multiplication, it's okay to multiply if they're not alike. Addition, no, 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 no. These are different things. 8x's added to 12. I don't know what that gives me. It just keeps 8x's, and that's like hamburgers and fries. All right, third example. Let's throw some negatives in there. Let's say I have negative 5 times the quantity of 2x minus 8. So you have to be careful with the negatives. First thing I'm going to do is look inside the parentheses. And that subtraction, I'm going to make a double sign change. So now I have the distributive property of multiplication. Here's multiply right here, a number next to parentheses, with respect to addition. So you're going to take that and distribute the multiplication. You're going to take that negative 5 and distribute it twice, multiply it twice. So you're going to have negative 5 times 2x plus negative 5 times negative 8. These two here, negative 5 times 2x, that's negative 10x. And then negative 5 times negative 8 is positive 40. And that's it. Don't make the mistake of adding from here. These are not like terms.